Alright guys, and I just wanted to show you my holiday table. So I did the Grinch, and I'll probably do the Grinch for a few years. Up on the wall, I have the Whoville Grinch Slayer Mount Crumpet. And on the wall I have Welcome to Whoville. And then here on the table I have a Grinch bobblehead. Bobbling. 25 days till Christmas. I bought that last year, didn't count down. And it's December something 10th today, and I didn't count down. I don't know. My daughter got me this cup from Tallahassee. She went to FAMU homecoming because she is a FAMU grad. And she already gave me this cup, and I didn't even want to use it, but that is too cute. And then the front of the cup says 100% that Grinch, naughty, nice, I tried most days. So that was really, really cute. But I put it on the table with the middle finger to the back. To the front, sorry. Alright, here is another. This is one of these Grinch. And the dog. And then I have my tiered tray here with a Grinch in the back. And then How the Grinch Stole Christmas. My mailbox to Santa. Reindeer. Grinch, the little doggy up there. And then on the bottom, Stank, Stunk, Stomp, Whoville. There's a little truck, Merry Grinchmas. And then over here, I didn't hang up this ornament. It's from my favorite movie, A Christmas Story. I didn't open it and did not hang it up yet. There is Little Miss Susie, a Christmas tree. More letters to Santa. I ended up putting Santa and this red truck down here. I do want to get one more Santa Claus. The reason I didn't put the mailbox and this down there is because of my granddaughter. She already done tried Santa one time. I don't want her to get the little stuff. Here is my Dunkin' Donut elf on a shelf for this year. I have another one from last year, but this is my Dunkin' Donut elf on a shelf. Here is where my Christmas in Heaven people, I have saved them a seat. There's a Santa Claus and a tree, and then a really big, I think this is the biggest Grinch over here that I have. And then this is what the table looks like as a whole. I have my candles underneath, and then Santa in the truck is down there. Of course, I have a Grinch mat going into the kitchen, and I have a Grinch mat under the tree. Last year I had these at the door. They get really dirty at the door. I did have to wash them before I put them down, but I didn't put them at the door. Next year, I'm going to get a different Grinch tree stuff because the feet won't stay on the tree and his head keeps falling off. So I have two Grinch flags over here on the wall and over here on this wall instead of outside on the door. I know these go outside on the door, but I want an in-house decoration. So here's one flag, and then here's the other flag. Okay, so this is my tree. Got those legs hanging out here. Every year I will get it together where I get my tree where I want it, but I'm going to show y'all some of my ornaments. Okay, show y'all some of my ornaments. This is carrots, cookies, and milk for Santa. I think that was a Starbucks cup. Care Bear. Here's a Grinch. Here's Lay's potato chips. This came with my Grinch cup. It's supposed to be an air freshener. I put it on a tree. Here is another lamp I found from my favorite movie. Cappuccino. Little Susie. This is a yard steak. I found 2 yard steaks from Walmart and stuck them in there. This is the movie Friends. Do y'all watch Friends on TV? I'm sorry, the sitcom Friends. Here is there's the other yard steak. Here is another Grinch. Here is the Cheetos. This is my daughter's ornament. She loves Stitch. If you guys don't know it, that's what she loves. There's a pretzel hiding back there, a glitter pretzel. Here is another Grinch. These big things I got from Joann's, and every year I'm just going to grab a bunch of big things so I can really get this Grinch tree how it's supposed to be. This ribbon came from Shein, I think. Here is my Eggos. Another Grinch. The little Grinches came from Five and Below. the ranch dressing. I just like all types of weird ornaments. I didn't do any ornaments to the back of the tree. What I'm going to do is every year stock up on different weird ornaments until I get everything that I want. So the part of the tree that you can see, Santa's going up the wall. He's supposed to be going up the window, but the part of the tree that you can see is all decorated. And I just wanted like all types of weird ornaments. Like there, let me show you. I don't think I showed y'all the KFC. The bucket of chicken. Then I have a big lollipop back here from Joann's. I didn't get the macaroni and cheese yet. Probably after the holidays, I'll go grab some more ornaments because I didn't get Baby Yoda. I didn't get the macaroni and cheese. I didn't get they had ketchup. I got the ranch. They had ketchup, Eggo waffles, the Lay's potato chips. What else did they have? Did they have barbecue sauce or Tabasco sauce? I don't know. But I love the idea of these weird ornaments over balls and bulbs. Bulbs, I should say. So yeah, so that's just what the tree looks like for this year. And every year we will add to it. And eventually we will have this big, crazy tree. The Grinch arms. There's an arm there and there's an arm there. But I'm not going to do those next year. I need to find something else. I want to get a different topper. And I want to get, you know, the Grinch with his butt sticking out. With his legs and his butt sticking out. I want to get that. And then let me show y'all my door. So over the door, these little things are supposed to be ornaments. I thought they were ornaments, you guys. This is why there's no ornaments on the back of the tree. Don't judge me. I thought they were ornaments. There was like 30 of them. They're cotton. They're cloth. They're cotton. And I just didn't like them on the tree. They are cloth. It's not an ornament. It's not hard. I thought it was like real ornaments. There's a hole in it so you can put a hook in it. So I put these over the door. And there is my Grinch wreath. There's my Grinch wreath hanging over the door. Yeah. So one thing I want to work on for next year is more Grinch ornaments and more weird ornaments. The other thing I want to work on for next year is the signs. Like Welcome to Whoville and the signs and stuff. I also saw the signs, but they were cloth. I did not want cloth signs. I'm also going to get more ribbon, more lollipops. And Walmart had the Susie yard steaks. I feel like I got a lot over here and not a lot over here. My granddaughter is going to tear that off the tree. And they had Grinch yard steaks, y'all. And they didn't have no more Grinch yard steaks left. I would have grabbed them all. Those was the last two Susie yard steaks. So I don't know why everybody decided to do the Grinch this year. The Grinch was very, very popular this year. So I'll just wait till it die down and come back to y'all next year with some more excitement. Okay? Y'all have any suggestions for Grinch stuff I can get for the low? Hit me up down below. Thank you for watching and happy holidays.